So hello everyone, hope you're doing okay. This the new subscriber. This is my channel called Raw. I code every day until I find a job. By the way, my name is Mohammed Bouaziz. I'm a Tunisian software engineering student, and you can find me on LinkedIn, on GitHub, and on Instagram. This is my GitHub. I mainly work on web development projects. My last project is a Laravel project and a Django project. I usually focus on backend, and I'm working mainly on front end on React. So those are my projects, and this is my GitHub profile. Hope you can follow me to support me. And by the way, thank you for all the support, for all the comments, for all the views and interactivity. Thank you all for this, and let's go. As usual, we're going to solve some lead code problems, and today we're gonna warm up with I think an easy or a medium problem, which is min stack. So let's go. So on this one, we're going to work on a stack. So the as you know, the principle of stack is very basic. Generally, stack is represented as a list that can only take out the last this stack and those are element of the stack. You can only push the last element and pull the last element. Mainly or generally in a list, you can select any element you want. This is his index, but in a stack you can only pop this or push it to the list. So today we're going to work on this stack. So the problem is, first we're gonna initialize the stack object, then we're gonna push an element into it, then we're gonna remove a element, and then we're gonna get the value of the top element of the stack, and get min, we're gonna return the minimum value of the element in the stack. We're gonna implement the solution with O one-time complexity for each function. So today I'm going to work on with Python. So let's get. It's easy to work with Python, but because the stack object already have predefined functions. So first we're gonna initialize the stack stack equal an empty list. Then we're going to push an element to it. The push stack is easy, just we're gonna append the value, and then we're gonna pop, and the pop function has to return the last element value into a variable and then delete it, not like just delete it. So we're gonna initialize a new variable, which is a. So a has the value of the last element, which is self dot stack -1, which is the last element, by the way. And then he's going to delete it using del function self stack -1, and then we're going to return a. top, we're just going to return the last element. This one. And get min, we have to get to return the minimum value, which is already defined. So min dot solve the stack min dot solve the stack. I think this has to work. Let's run it. I think we're good. So let's just submit it. Yeah, that's good. 250 millisecond. Yeah, Python, it's pretty low. So with that, in 5 minutes we have completed this this problem. Let's search for another problem. Let's try this. Evaluate. Attention. I think this is harder. So you're given an array string token that represents a arithmetic expression and reverse Polish notation for that expression. So the valid operators are plus, minus, division and multiplying. Each operand may be an integer or another expression. So the element of the list can be integer and can be an operator. The division between two integers always truncate towards 0. Okay, there will not be any division by 0 for sure. The input represents valid arithmetic expression and reverse Polish notation. The answer and all the intermediate calculation can be represented 32-bit integer. Didn't get that. So basically we're gonna enter a list that has this type, which is reverse Polish notation. Just type it. So the reverse Polish notation, Polish notation, simplify, postfix notation. It's mathematical notation which operate for the operand. So instead of the operator is in the middle of the two integer, the operator will be after the two integers. Okay, that's it. Postfix. So we're gonna use stack as usual. This solution. So basically, two friend was +1, and then he's going to return the result of 2 + 1 and then multiply it by 3. I think I can work with this. So let's just draw something. So I have 2, 3 plus and 3 and multiplication. He's going to scan it. He's going to scan it from the left to the right. It's going to begin with this expression. That's 5, and then we're going to calculate this, which is 15. If we represent it as stock, we can represent this is the stock. Those are the element 3, 2 plus 3 and multiply. Let's just start with an empty stack. So we have an empty stack. We're gonna first push 2 and push 3 and then push the operator. When we have an operator, we should stop and make this operation. So the result is 5. But how can he pop it? I'm gonna pop, make it in a temporary variable. Here gonna make 5 and then push it again. I'm gonna make 3 variable, which is x, y, this, and op. So x, so op gonna plus 3 and 2. It's going to make this operation and then give it to temp, or then push it. I can push it, but you cannot make a while loop. So he's gonna push. This. I think we have to make a while loop while is lower than this a list or list. I is lower than list. No, than the list. It's gonna push every element. gonna push every element of this list into the stack. So stack dot push list if then I'm gonna pop if list I equal or n operator, and I'm gonna make a list of operators. And operator just here I'm gonna define a operators equal plus minus division and multiplying. If list n operators, then it's gonna pop it a x equal of the operator equal pop the stack dot pop and x equal stack dot pop and y equal stack dot pop. This for the operator, and this is the first integer, and then the second integer. And then we're gonna push it again. Push it again. Push. I have a condition. If operator equal plus, then is gonna push stepper push x plus y, and then the other conditions. So if operator is minus, so x minus y or y minus x. Let's put it if the operator is the multiplication, it's gonna multiply it and if it's a division, then we're gonna divide it. Well, we don't need that. Else, and he's gonna push it again. Stack the push. He pushed it. Then it's gonna repeat. If less than operator. Then I have to add it 0, 1, 2. E 0, 1, 2. It's gonna back to 3. So I 3 and I to iterate the list. I think that's right. Let's modify this code. So operators are equal while I equals 0, while I is lower than the token. Then stack dot push. I have to initialize the stack. So stack equal list stack dot push tokens the I if tokens the I in operators, then it's gonna give it their stacked pop stacked if operator you can do this. So this is int else push Then all after this, and in the last iteration, he's just gonna push it. The last element has a particular case. We're not gonna add +3 to the iteration because it's her limit, so we're just gonna stop it. If equal totals -1, then we'll just we're gonna make the calculation as usual, but we're just gonna continue -1, then return the value. I think he can return the value. Return stack.pop. I think he can do this. Well, I think this can be float because we can divide. So float and float. Then different syntax. Yes. Dot push, dot append. Just gonna append it. Append. And Oh, something. That's just done. I'm done. So I'm just gonna print x and print y, and then I'm gonna, after all this, I'm just going to print those. Just want to print. If I have to make it like this, then time limit. I don't have Jupyter. Man, Python sucks. It's very low. Because of that, there is time limit access. So I think it's not. I'm just gonna copy it and see what's the problem with the time thing. automatically part of token list. So we're gonna just if token in operator stack the append float token. Oh yes, float token done. And I can make a for loop instead of tokens. If token an operator, then we're just gonna append not in. We're gonna append the number. Just make a comparison of it. Just we're gonna append this number. And we have an else condition that I missed. We're gonna create two variables, which is x and y. So this operator will not use it. Oh, if op if token, which is the loop already. If token equal, just modify the token. Else. It's gonna make a print. Then we're gonna return the whole result. So don't need this anymore. And the result I'm gonna return it here. I don't need that either. Return int. That. Turn int step to top. The approach is correct, but just some syntax and the logic. It has to be alright now. So token, token. Float the token. Token equal, if token equal. This should be right. Why there is no tabulation? Okay, this must be print. This case too. Output. Wait, how does this go? For so we're gonna check for the operator, and then we're gonna pop 2 times. So he pop the operator and pop the but we pushed push 2. So we're gonna check for the 2 previous integer of the operator, which is 13 and 5. So he pushed this, and when he found this, he's gonna pop it and pop and pop, and then pushed again. And then it's gonna 5, 3, 0. 5, 3. On this case, print int x divided by y. 5, 13, and then 0. Why it's 0? I think I need double division. The floating. So I need this, not double. Don't get why he print 0. Why can't I print float? Float. Zero 0.3 5 with 13. Thirteen by 5. So float to y by x. So this is good. And this 3, 9. Plus he push, and then he found this. So he's gonna pop this and pop that. Then he's going to edit. Oh, let's print. So let's just want to print result. So 3 plus 9 equal to 12. Then minus 11 multiplying by 12. I think this is true. Then minus of I have to check the negative one and negative convert negative values from shell to Python. Do I have to make another condition if why is and then 6 divided by 6 divided by this. Why can't he? Why he can't continue? So when he to 6 it's gonna push 6, pop 6, and then if I have a token which is this float minus fx or y lower than 0, then easily done and easy. I can squeeze. Look. Towards 0, which not much behavior. Think Meta trunk can solve it. Int float. Int float. That's it. Yeah, that's not correct. Actually, this is good. 15 minutes. Let's submit this code. Result -1. Four -3. How's that? Minus. So hit 3 -1. 3 -1. Why did he hit? Int. Int float. He pop it, and then he pop it. Then he divided it. What the hell? 5 + 3. Don't get. Hey, we have 20 views. The stream is on fire. Tiny modification, the code will run properly. Don't get the problem here. I don't get it. So this x and this y. So x and y. X minus y. It's y minus x. It's y minus x. $46 milliseconds. I think I have to work with Java or C++. They are faster actually. So let's just see some solutions. Oh, what did you? Step. Input. Well, like I did in Java. So about an hour. That's actually the shortest video. So we submitted the code. Do we try another program? I think it's enough. Don't have to make the video longer, actually. Let's see some other problems. So here I think. By the way, this is my my lead code profile. This is my nickname in games. I usually play Valorant and League of Legends and Rocket League. So this is my username in those. This is my profile if you wanted to follow it. So I think this is the end of stream. What time is it? 59. Let's make it 1 hour. So I hope this video or this stream it's better than the one before it. I hope you liked it. Thank you for all the support, the comments. I see your comments, I see your support, your likes. Thank you all for this, and wish the next videos are better, and hope I can make it better. I think the next videos will contain some project, not just lead code. But if I make some project in the video will be longer and people will not watch. So for that I just make lead code. So let's just. So this, by the way, this the live, this the channel. This channel, if you wanna follow it. Thank you everyone. This is the stream. Thank you everyone for watching. And guess here we're gonna close the stream. Thank you everyone. See you tomorrow as usual. And yeah, thank you.